So in this short video, I'm going to share with you how you can make passive income through photography, even if you can't take pictures yourself. I'm going to go through a specific example that you can do, and you can make your own, do what you want with it, but ultimately you can make passive income. And our focus here is actually putting canvases onto Etsy, right? So you can see there's plenty of examples here. Now I've picked out palm trees mainly because I took a picture of a palm tree the other day, and we're going to go into and show you exactly how to get it done, plus how to get it sent out totally hands-free. And as I said before, you don't actually have to need to take the picture yourself. You can go ahead and go to a website called Pexels. And as you can see here, there's over 165 examples of palm tree photos that you could use. And if you want to make them really look super special, I'd go to a website called Placeit, where you can upload the images and make them look like they're already done and in someone's living room. So here you can see on Placeit, I've got one of my pictures. I took that one, believe it or not, mocked up right in shot there. And it just goes that you can put almost anything on it. Here's another example, another picture I took just of some scenery, or you could even go for the selfie as well. People want photos on their wall. It's simple as that. Yes, I know we love taking thousands of pictures. In fact, I've got over 8,000 photos on my phone right now, and I'm interested, drop in the comments how many photos you have on your camera roll. Yes, and I know we went on about how to get these done hands-free, so you can go onto a website called Printful. You can have a look, and they will actually put your image onto a canvas. You can select all these different sizes and adjust the price, as you can see here, different prices. But if we go back to Etsy, you'll see how much these people are selling these canvases for. And of course, that bit in between is your profit. And you can see on the screen here, we've got one which is about $26.50. There's a little bit of shipping on that. But if you get the sizes exactly the same on to Etsy itself, then you're gonna make a nice big margin. The nice thing about this is you don't have to make a ton of money per sale, because ultimately, if you upload enough photos, they're going to get bought, they're going to get sent out, you take the profit, and of course, you only need a few sales in each day to actually make a nice little passive income. And as I said at the start of the video, you can actually have these done by your phone as well. So if you don't have a camera, believe it or not, we're all walking around with cameras right now in our telephones, yes? So you can actually go ahead, use your own camera, upload your images onto the site there, onto either Printful or Placeit to make it look pretty before you go ahead and sell it via Etsy, and you take profits from that. And if you're not sure on what camera settings to have, I just Googled this and found the best settings to have for your camera. We're talking about putting the grid on, the scan QR codes, that's fine. Everything is pretty straightforward as far as that. So just make sure that you've got the same settings on there and you're taking the best attempt at your photo. You can always filter them later on. If you have a photo editing suite, you can go ahead and check out how to edit photos on YouTube. This is not a channel about how to edit photos, but you can quickly find nice ways to make your photos really pop and really catch someone's eye if they're looking for something specific. And if you don't want to use Placeit, there's another site here, it's Mockup World. Yes, you can put those photos onto this. They'll put it in a nice background, and of course these ones are free to download, so you can really get started for practically nothing. And like I said, this is just one example of how you can make passive income through photography. If you're interested in more ways, then make sure you go ahead and download this little free gift showing you how to make passive income with affiliate marketing, and stick around because the next video is coming up and it's a good idea to go ahead and watch that one now.